Hey guys, if you've ever spent 20 minutes on your knees scrubbing grout with a toothbrush and a prayer, I need you to stop what you're doing and hear me out. Because this little cordless scrubber might just save your weekends and your knees. I'm so glad that the brand sent this over so I can share with you guys. And this electric spin scrubber is amazing. And mostly out of just curiosity and honestly, it's become one of those tools I reach for time and time again. Now let's break down what it actually does and where it shines and where you should temper your expectations. Now, out of the box, this thing feels solid. It's cordless, handheld power scrubber that comes with 12, you hear me, 12 interchangeable brush heads, flat brushes, corner brushes, and a soft cloth brush, and even a sponge pad. The idea is simple. One motorized handle, a dozen attachments, and you're covered for basically every cleaning surface in your home. It charges via Type-C, which is a nice modern touch, and there's a battery indicator on the handle so you never are guessing how much juice you have left. Now, this is where the versatility really stands out. The flat brush is great for tile floors and walls. The corner brush gets into grout lines around faucets and into those tight edges that regular scrubbing just can't reach. Now, the soft cloth brush is gentle enough for wood floors and furniture without scratching anything up. And the sponge pad handles windows and glass surprisingly well. I even used a couple of the heads to polish and wax my car, and it cut the effort down significantly. I mean, that is amazing. But the real test for me was my stovetop, and I have to say, it did an amazing job. Look at this, outstanding. Baked on grease, and that I'd normally have to scrub by hand, and for 10 minutes came off in under 2. Now, here's the part that genuinely surprised me. I didn't expect a gadget to have this kind of adjustability, but it does, and it changes how you clean entirely. The telescopic handle adjusts from 12 to 54 inches and detaches when you don't need it. That means you can use it up close for a sink or detail work and extend it out for like showers, tubs, ceilings without bending over or standing on a step stool. For anyone dealing with back or knee issues, like I am, this feature alone makes it worth considering. Now, I will tell you, a full charge takes about 3 hours, and that gets you up to 90 minutes of continuous run time. In practice, that's plenty for a full bathroom, kitchen, or car detailing session in one go. It won't last you multiple full house deep cleans on a single charge, but for a normal cleaning session, it doesn't leave you stranded halfway through. Now, I am going to say the brushes are easy to swap. Yes, this is genuinely one of the strongest features. The brush heads snap on and off quickly. No tools required, no switching from a flat brush to a corner brush or sponge pad takes seconds. It's designed so you're not fumbling around mid-clean. Now, this is IPX7 waterproof, so you can rinse it under the tap, though you shouldn't submerge it. 2-speed settings. And let me tell you, it's amazing for light daily cleaning.